Hi, welcome back to Gorilla Gardener. Today I'm going to show you what you can do right now in the end of March with perennials. Perennials are any plant that comes back every year. Today I'm going to focus on a plant called a bearded iris. So this is a great time to do it. The best time is actually in the fall when they go dormant, but you can also do it in early spring. The first thing I'm going to do is dig up a clump. Usually you want to divide irises about every 3 to 4 years. Alright, so this right here that I have is actually a nice clump of irises. Alright, so here's a big clump of iris. Usually they'll be a little bigger than this when you want to divide them. And once again, an iris is a modified stem. I'm going to pull this apart to show you both how to divide them, but also so you can see the structure. So this right here is a rhizome. It's a modified stem that goes underneath the ground. It's not a root because right here you'll see the real roots. So the key for dividing these is trying not to tear them up too much if you're going to do spring dividing. So as I'm dividing them, I'm just using my hands to pull rhizomes apart to make smaller plants. In the fall I'd make these a little smaller. About this size, about the size of a grapefruit, is good for spring dividing. And right here you can actually see the start of this year's fans growing. These are going to grow to be about 4 feet tall, and by June, July they will flower. Alright, so when you dig up perennials in the spring, you want to make sure you get them in the ground within a day or two. So I'm going to get these planted right away. With rhizomes for irises, here you can see the rhizome structure. You actually want to plant this in the soil so the top of the rhizome is just peeking out of the soil and mulch. All of these roots right here need to be underground, and these things should take off within a few days if I get them planted quickly. So right here, I'm just going to take some loosened soil and get this in the ground, and then using more soil and mulch, and that's all it takes to get these things started.